Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about CapCut video editing software. And in today's video, I will show you how to animate text in CapCut. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and select the text in the timeline right here, just like what you see right here. I have this text in the timeline right here. Next thing we want to do right here is to go ahead and we come to animation right here. Then you have pre-template animation that you can use right here. You have free one and you have paid one. Like for instance, if you want to use the free one of the free one is this one right here. Okay, go ahead and hit on download. Just like so, in a few seconds it's download, and then by the time we play the video, we have the animation on our video right here. So let's play. And you have the text coming in animation right here. So we can go ahead and increase the duration of the animation from the side right here. We come down below right here. The more you increase the size, the more the time of the animation will take into the video sections right here. So just like so, the duration of this particular animation here. So if I go back to my, so just like so, the duration of this particular animation right here is 1.4. So I can decide to make it 1.5. You can see how it's coming in. If the duration is much, you can go ahead and click on here. This will allow you to reduce the duration of the animation, just like so. It's that simple. So you can go on and use different templates. So like one of the templates here also, this is a premium template. So if you select on this template, it automatically, just like what you see right here, you see how the animation comes up. You can use this to create a YouTube intro or intro. You can use this animation text to do whatever you might think of. There are a lot of templates right here. What you need to do is to go ahead and select anyone you are interested in. Let's quickly edit the duration of this one right here. So we want to come down below right here. We can decide to reduce the duration to about 1.2, and let's find out. Boom. So we have a kind of nice animations right here. There are a lot of templates right here. You can either use premium one or you use free version in CapCut video editing software. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your CapCut video editing software, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.